you are an architect, interior designer, or home decorator, then this video is specially for you. And Ashish ji will tell us more about this.
Sure, ma'am. Being an interior designer or a home decorator or an architect, you have to take care of a lot of things. A theme that we work on broadly. And the most important and most difficult part is to get the vendors who can create your dreams, your ideas, what you have drawn, what you have shown to your client to reality. At Aarsun, this is what we do. Let's start with this one. Ma'am, if you can please sit on this chair.
Sure.
We have a beautiful bedroom chair along with this set. And if you talk about the colors, this is a shade of champagne and golden highlight on the unit. And the carving part you can see how beautifully the craft work is done. Every flower you can see, every flower, leaf, petal, and the bale that we have in the middle, that is wrapped around the entire thing. And this is inspired truly by nature. How beautifully the artisan has crafted it. And this is the design of the bed of the front part. Now please have a look on the bed, and this is along with a side table, a pair of side tables. Both sides we have side table 24 inches by 16 inches, and the height is 24 inches. And the bedroom chair, this chair is 30 inches left to right, front to back 28 inches, and the back height is 4.5 feet. And you can see how spacious, how beautifully the chair is crafted. A bedroom chair is generally a little higher back, as you can see here, and this is how the concept works. If you see the fabric is again matching to the color, the base color as the client wanted. And this is a king size bed. King size bed is 72 by 78 inches, mattress area 6 feet by 6.5 feet. And this has got hydraulic storage. Now if you can open that side please,
Sure.
and show to our viewers the hydraulic storage, how it works. I'll open this side. Very easy to open. It has got hydraulic and a full storage, a complete storage we get when we have this type of bed. And we can simply close it like this. I'll put the ottoman again. And we can please sit on the ottoman also. And this ottoman is again a very good thing for a bedroom. And it can be placed here or the other side. And it is same from all the sides. This is the best part about the ottoman. Is also called bed bench. The fabric part as selected by the client, very beautifully and creatively they have selected the fabric that is giving the overall theme a very gracious look altogether.
And this is also for the same client, same design in different color.
And this time we have satin white with the champagne highlighting, with the same shade of champagne we have in this one. That is the highlight on this one. The same beautiful carving, hand carving all over, with two side tables. This set doesn't have a bedroom chair because the client didn't need one. Again, the same king size 72 by 78 inches with hydraulic. And this is what a king size bed looks like. This also has a ottoman, and you can please sit.
Sure.
A spacious, wide, and a nicely crafted ottoman with this bedroom set also, with two side tables. We haven't fixed the hardware for the side tables. The handles are not placed because the client wanted to do that himself. He has his own hardware, and he asked us not to fit anything. So that will be done on site. This is broadly the sizes and the broad details about the two bedroom sets I'm showing you.
So now Ashish ji,
Yes, ma'am.
coming back to the first point,
Yes, ma'am.
how Aarsun is helping international home designers.
Sure, ma'am. First of all, if you look at our website, there's a huge, there's a big section of testimonials. It has got thousands of pictures from across the globe. And these pictures are from actual clients' home. And these homes are designed by top interior designers, architects, home decorators, home designers from across the globe. And these pictures provide a lot of ideas to different designers how to match the theme.
Okay.
Now, what we are doing, what Aarsun is doing is, we convert your ideas to reality. And these days, everybody is so creative. And being creative needs someone who can back your creativity.
Yeah.
And you can go online. These days, we have so many artificial intelligence tools from which you can design a lot of things. And when you finally get the productivity, the creativity out, clients do like it.
Yeah.
But the issue remains how to get it on the ground. Just like in this one, if we look at this bed, now see the matching part. This color, then the fabric part is complementing the whole design, and then the highlights of gold. And similarly, this highlight, this shade, we have incorporated in this one. So a theme is going from this to this,
Yeah.
but we have maintained the basic color somewhere. Now, again, this fabric is suede and it's a plain fabric because we have got quilting in this one. But coming back to the Ottoman, if you see the shade here and the base shade, we have again matched to the entire theme. And this is what theme is all about. If we move a lot from the theme, if we have very different colors and we go for very real contrasting theme, that again is as per the choice. So what we are doing is we are creating what you have created on the software, on the computer, in your imagination, and you have some original, some unique, some very different idea, and that is converted to reality here. And now this will go to the client's place, and once that is placed there, you will see the difference, how beautiful it looks in the entire setup.
Yeah. Ashish,
Yes, ma'am.
when we talk about the theme part, so how exactly theme works?
Ma'am, theme, if you talk about a theme, the designers and architects very well know that, that it involves several things. It involves the wall color. It could be wallpapers. It could be design on the wall.
Yeah.
Panels, wall panels are also in thing. And then we have the profile lighting, LED lighting, and the false ceiling, then the carpet, chandeliers, and the lights we have on the side tables. Generally, people keep lights, lamps, and then we have curtains that again are very important,
Yeah.
because the curtain color gives a lot of contrast to the theme, contrast as well as matching also. So theme involves all these aspects.
Okay.
And when we are working on a theme, let's say we have a base theme, let's say we have a golden theme for a room. In that case, how one thing will work with the other thing. It could be contrast, it could be matching, it could be something in the middle.
Yeah.
So that all the points comes together to make a theme. And that is where the creative people like you, like the designers, like the interior decorators, they come in picture, because they give very, very amazing ideas. And that is the professional work they do.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
as we are talking about interior designers in this video,
Yes, ma'am.
so apart from the furniture, so what other services can we provide to the interior designer or homeowners?
When we talk about service, furniture is definitely we are providing, and very different furniture.
Yeah.
Just now we have created something very artistic, like a musical instrument, and we'll show you in further videos. But what else we can do is we also do site visits. When we have a big place and we are designing the entire theme or the entire home, then designers do require our help sometimes.
Yeah.
And we do know, because we have been working for so many years, we have worked with so many designers already, so we have a fair idea how things are placed, which thing looks good with what at what place, where double carving comes, where single carving comes, how the wall designs can be. So we can definitely provide some ideas from our side,
Yeah.
and we are doing it for several clients. We have done it recently for a Chennai hotel, 7-star property there. We have done for a client in Gaya. We have done for a client in Indore, and several clients we have already done this work for.
Okay.
So if you also want us to visit your place and we can together sit for a discussion, we can do that also. But yes, there is a fee for that, for a site visit, that we can discuss when we talk about these things. Apart from the site visit, definitely we can work on a blueprint if you have, and we can provide our inputs, that how we can design the entire place. This is definitely we can do.
Okay. And we deliver globally, in India and out of India, wherever you are. So please contact. The number is right in front of you. We will be happy to talk with you. Thank you.
Thank you.